Nature.
Attack.
Attacking. Yeah.
This guy's like, aren't you gonna do this? Oh, like,
Ooh. We're gonna see a knife fight. A beak fight.
Fight.
Bike fight. Look at that one with its mouth open. What are they doing?
They both have their mouth open.
Yeah. It looks like they're about to fight each other, but they're not. They're just sitting there watching that one eat.
That one's intense though.
Yeah.
Like going at him.
Maybe they're waiting to see who's next in line. Like they're gonna wait for that one to be full.
Doesn't look like it's been happening.
He's eating that whole piece of bread. What a heifer.
That type of bread was big before.
I know, it was bigger than him. Oh, see? See, he's done. Oh no.
Take the other one.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Jeez.
I keep like looking at them and not looking at the screen. And yeah, that's nature.